Hey everyone, exciting news for all the tech-savvy women in India passionate about fashion. Welcome to Myntra HackerRamp 2024. WeForShe. This prestigious hackathon is brought to you by Myntra, India's leading fashion e-commerce platform. Let's dive into the details. Myntra HackerRamp 2024 is a fantastic initiative designed specifically for female engineering students across the country. This year's edition, called WeForShe, aims to showcase your coding prowess, creativity, and innovative spirit in the fashion tech domain. Here's who can participate in this exciting opportunity. Female students from engineering colleges across India are eligible to join. This includes B.Tech or B students who are currently in their second, third, or fourth year of study. Additionally, M.Tech students who are in their first or second year can also participate. Dual degree students in their third, fourth, or fifth year are welcome to join as well. Teams must consist of 2 to 3 members to ensure collaboration and teamwork. Students from different batches, specializations, and even different colleges can team up to form a diverse and dynamic group. Let's walk through the competition stages in detail, so you know exactly what to expect and how to prepare. First, register to access the theme and work on 1 or 2 use cases. This is your chance to understand the problem statement and start brainstorming innovative solutions. Next, submit your ideas as a 6-slide PowerPoint presentation. Make sure to clearly outline your concept, its feasibility, and the impact it could have. Then, build a functional prototype of your solution. This is where your ideas start to take shape and become tangible. Submit a short presentation and demo videos, plus links to code repositories. These materials will showcase your progress and the potential of your solution. Get mentored by Myntra's tech experts and refine your model. Their guidance can help you overcome challenges and enhance your project. Finally, present your polished solution to the jury and compete for the top prizes. This is your moment to shine and demonstrate the value of your hard work. And now, the exciting part: rewards and prizes. This is the moment everyone has been waiting for. The winners will take home a cash prize of INR 4 lakh. Imagine the possibilities with such a substantial reward. First runners-up get Myntra Vouchers worth INR 10,000 each, a perfect way to indulge in some retail therapy. Pre-placement interview opportunities for teams reaching the pre-finale. This is a golden chance to kickstart your career in tech. Digital certificates of merit for all finalist teams. These certificates are a testament to your hard work and dedication. Participation certificates for all teams making it to the pre-finale stage. Every effort counts, and your participation is highly valued. Ready to join this thrilling journey? Click the link in the description to apply for Myntra HackerRamp 2024. Don't miss this chance to unleash your geek goddess and make a mark in the fashion tech world. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Best of luck to all the participants. Stay tuned for more exciting content.